Hey Julia, hope you're having a great day today and you're having a great time at your rehearsals. As your video lesson, two things I want to talk about those two things. And if you want me to look at anything or have questions, that sort of thing, feel free to shoot those on over and I'll do my best to answer. So let's get to it. So the first thing is continuing on with our right hand technique. I think we last left off with the two patterns, the two basic right hand pattern, which is the inside out and the outside in pattern. Remember, the outside in is the thumb, middle, thumb, index. So 5, 2, 4, 3 strings. 5, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. And then the opposite of that, which is the 5, 3, 5, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 2. That's the thumb, index, thumb, middle. So those are the two basic patterns to start off with in regards to right hand technique. The next step after combining those two, so you can do this. So outside in, inside out. So I take those two patterns and play them back to back together. Once you can do that, then it's time for what's called the pinch pattern. And the pinch pattern is when you play the two fingers at the same time. In this case right here, I'm going to play the thumb and the middle finger together. Notice that I'm going straight back towards my palm, just like this. So I'm not doing this out here, not this way, but straight back towards my palm. So I have my thumb here on the fifth string, I have my middle finger here on the second string, and I play those two together. So thumb and middle together, and then thumb on 4, and index on 3. So pinch, thumb, index, pinch, thumb, index. The most famous song I can think of off the top of my head that uses the pinch pattern is this one. Dust in the Wind, which is a quick song, but it uses a pinch pattern. So the first half of the right hand pattern is pinch at the same time, thumb on 4, index on 3, just as the tab says right there. And then you combine it with an outside in pattern, thumb, middle, thumb, index. So pinch, thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb, index. And you can add this to Wildflower. You can easily I think it's capo. I want to say 3. I want to say, or maybe 2. Let's do it. I think it's 2. Let's do it. Since the pattern is twice as long, so it takes twice as long to get to that right hand pattern there because you're doing a pinch, thumb, index, and then the complete right hand pattern. So say if you did, for example, outside in on this chord right here. So say if we had you just have everything. So this pattern over here is twice as long. So you do pinch, see, instead of being 2, 2, 4 in terms of how many times you play the pattern, you just have it being 1, 1, and 2. So work on that right hand pattern for me. And then next, and for soloing technique, is another sequential pattern, right? So you have this so far. You had the 3-note sequence. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? And what you're going to do for this one, this is a 4-note sequence. The saying for this one is my last is my first. My last is my first. Now, what does that mean? Is that if I play the pattern here, 3, 8, so I say 5, 8, 5, 7. That's 4 notes right there. So I go 5, 8, 5, 7. My last finger, I go back a string, and that's my first one for the next pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I finish with my first finger here. I'm going to bring that back a string and do another set of 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here, I'm going to go back a string. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go back a string. 1, 2, 3, 4. My last last is my first. Go back a string. Right? So that's what I want you to work on for soloing technique is, and then what we'll do after that is we'll combine it with the use a backing track, right? Use an A minor backing track, and then what we'll do is we'll combine that with some some soloing techniques like hammer-ons and pulls. So you could easily do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide into the next thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. So work on the 4-note sequence. My last is my first pattern, and we will do more next time. So take care. Bye.